Wala tayong problema. Hindi ako maghanap ng gera. Kasi kung maghanap ako ng gera, nako, papasubo ko yung bayan ko. Huwag tayo maghanap ng away.
Okay.
It's always a goodwill visit.
Alright.
If they come here, fine.
Okay.
If they want to pass the territory, just inform the Navy. Just inform the Armed Forces and the Department of Foreign Affairs. Wala tayong problema. Hindi ako maghanap ng gera. Kasi kung maghanap ako ng gera, nako, papasubo ko yung bayan ko. Maganda na ang trade natin. Do you know that ang ating banana industry had recovered? Doble na tayo ngayon. Ang ating pineapple, ganun rin. It has increased by 50% more than the previous. Nung pinahirapan tayo, lahat na lang nang makita nila, sabihin nila, no, yung hindi masama to, ganun, masamang produkto, madumi. Ngayon, China says, you send to us everything and we will buy. If it does not come up with the quality that we desire, we will ourselves make it a quality product. Bakit ako maghanap ng gulo? Naku. Gusto mo ako mag-ingay-ingay doon. Nasabi ko na in front of the official dome of the state of the republic. Nasabi ko na sa harap ng military, pati mga sila lahat. Ano po bang gusto nila? And I have this assurance. Kaya nga, that is not, that make you happy to hear na they are not going to build anything sa Panatag out of respect sa ating friendship. Yan paano magdala ng gobyerno. Ayan, pwede sulat-sulat. It could lead to, I said, a miscalculation. Lahat ng gera, it's always palpak, ganon, disgrasya, nagkamali. It is a result of a miscalculation. That's a very important word for all of us. Do not miscalculate. I will not do it to put my country in danger.